Welcome to Simply Elegant. I'm Gino and I am super excited to show you guys a super simple chocolate chip cookie recipe that comes in all colors. These are inspired by my first time going to Pride Festival in Chicago, and I had the best time of my life. I was surrounded by great music, great food, and it was an awesome experience. If you are new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of our Simply Elegant family. And without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need a variety of food colors, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of shortening, some chocolate chips. I am using a cookies and cream chocolate chip mix, but you can use whatever kind you like. You will need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. First, you want to place all of your flour into another bowl. Add your salt and baking soda. Just whisk until everything is incorporated. Setting this bowl aside, in a separate bowl, you want to add your sugar, your white sugar, and your shortening. And just mix it until nice and creamy. Your dough is going to form fine crumbs just like this, and at that point you want to add in your vanilla and your 2 eggs. And then just beat until it is well incorporated. Just add a little bit of your dry ingredients and then mix it, add a little bit more, mix it, and repeat the process. Now that our dough has come together, it is time to separate into 6 bowls. Now just add a drop of red food coloring to a bowl, a drop of orange to another bowl, yellow, some blue, some green by mixing blue and yellow. Last but not least, I'm making purple by mixing red and blue. And just mix all of your doughs together. Now that my hands are officially tired from all the mixing, it is time to place our dough onto the cookie sheet. Now you just want to add about a tablespoon or so of your chocolate chips to each bowl. Once you have finished mixing in all of your chocolate chips, get about a small tablespoon or so, roll it into a ball, and place it onto your baking sheet. Once your cookies are all ready to go, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and place them into an oven for about 10 minutes. Guys, these cookies have come out phenomenal. Thank you for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and that you give this recipe a try, because these rainbow chocolate chip cookies taste amazing. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of any time I post a new baking or cooking video.